When the fishes are biting in Galveston, Texas, the birds flock. Early in the morning, the fishes are biting, and he got a net full, and look how them birds pursuing him. This is the last day of my vacation. Reporting back in Galveston, guys. This is how it look. I will be uploading all these videos for you guys, letting you guys know I had an awesome vacation. But as I said, whenever you fishing and you got some fish, the birds are lurking. Look at these two boats. Both sides got birds, both got nets. Birds ain't playing. I don't think I wouldn't be comfortable with the birds hoovering around my boat like that. It'll make me feel some type of way. You know, birds itself make me feel some type of way. Beautiful species, but whenever you got crackers, bread, or you fishing, the reaction of the birds when they're hungry, it's just overwhelming. But to each his own though. Salute. It's 504 Cut.